Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain how to create tables in HTML file. As we know that HTML table is basically a combination of rows and columns. So we can put any kind of data in a tabular format. We use the tables. In HTML, the building blocks of HTML tables are the table tag, tr tag, th tag and td tag, which are shown in this figure. Here we show that the table tag, tr tag and td tag, th tag, all these four tags are used to create the table. The table tag defines the table itself. The first and the foremost we use the table tag to define the table, and then goes to the tr tag which defines the table row. So we have to create the table row with the using of tr tag. Now th tag defines the table header. If we want to put header in the table, then we should use the th tag. And now the tt tag, this is the tt tag defines the data in the table format, that is the cell content. So we see that lots of these tags using to create the HTML table. Now I am going to I am going to show a live demonstration how to create the table in HTML5. For this, we just open the notepad and put tags. Now start from the HTML. This is the basic tag used for the HTML document. Then head, title, my table. Let's suppose I am giving the name, that is the my title, title close, and then head close, and then body starts. Now this is the basic structure to create the HTML document. Body close and the HTML close. Now I have to put the table in between the body, so make some spaces here and then type the tags which creates the table. Firstly we have to type the table tag, which is first and the foremost used for to create the table, and then create the tr tag which creates the row, then creates the th tag basically used for the header. Let's suppose I am going to create a table of name and marks. So for this I am just going to heading the name. Th tag is the closing tag, a container tag, so we have to close this tag, and then again th, again heading, that is marks. Okay, and close it. Now we should have to close this tr tag again. Next, to create the next row we have to use open the tr tag, and then here we use the td tag to put the data. Suppose the name is Amit, td tag close, we have to close td tag, and then again it's td tag open and its marks. Let's suppose its marks is 98, then close the td tag and then tr tag close. Now again we have to put an extra data, that is for the Sumit is another student that I have to put the marks in the table, so we have to close this td and then again td open and its marks, that is 78, and close the td. Finally we close the tr, and then at last we have to close the table. We have to close the table tag. Okay, so this in this HTML document we have created the two rows having the name and marks defined there, and the name and the marks are the header, and two candidates, their name and their marks. So if we put the border, so some attributes are using in the table tag, that is the border. Border is used to keep the border for this. Now if you're using the border 2 4 something, you have to put the number. Okay, now save it save to the anywhere. Let's suppose here table dot html, save it. Now here we see that these are the tags which is used to create the table. Now just open the file that you have been created as a Chrome table and open. Here we see that there is a table created having the name and the marks as their header, and the data is Amit and Sumit having their marks here. So in this way we can create the table. In this way we can create the table by using this format. So keep in mind we use here the tags, that is the table tags with attributes, that is the border, tr tag to create the rows, th tag to create the heading, and td tags to create the data in the table. And at last we have to close the table tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So by this process we can easily create the table in HTML5. I hope so, student, all of you have been clear from this video. Thank you very much.